Flu to the coronavirus. There are now 15 confirmed cases of the potentially deadly virus here in the U.S. No illnesses have been diagnosed here in Connecticut, but health experts are keeping close tabs on it. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live in New Haven now to tell us what they're doing. Matt?
Well, Dennis, U.S. Senator Richard Blumenthal, along with New Haven Mayor Justin Elicker, they're calling on Congress to make sure funding for research and prevention programs remains in place.
A pandemic that engulfs the world in coronavirus is preventable.
But Senator Richard Blumenthal says that's only if the U.S. continues to invest in research and prevention. And he says that won't happen under President Trump's proposed budget, which would slash billions from the Centers for Disease Control and the National Institute of Health.
Cutting the CDC by 10%, cutting NIH by 34% is tantamount to public health suicide.
The head of the CDC recently said the new coronavirus, which has killed almost 1,400 people and still spreading in China, could be around for at least another year. And it's why the senator and New Haven Mayor Justin Elicker say now is not the time to cut.
This is the wrong direction for us to go in, especially now.
While there are 15 confirmed cases in the U.S., none are here in Connecticut. Yet health leaders in the Elm City say budget cuts at the federal level would have an impact here at home, as it's reliant on the CDC when it comes to guidance, protocols, and a response strategy.
This is a situation with coronavirus that is an evolving situation. There are many unknowns, and at the local and state level, we don't have the resources to discover what those unknowns are, but the public health professionals at the federal level are the ones that are responsible for that.
And because of that, Blumenthal says it must be a bipartisan effort.
Already, many of my Republican colleagues are expressing dismay about these cuts. Exactly the wrong time to be cutting investment in public health.
Now, this is just a proposed budget. The senator says last year there were a number of cuts included as well. He said Congress was able to be bipartisanship and be able to keep some of those programs. He says he's hoping for a similar situation this year. We're live with the Mobile Newsroom in New Haven. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.